is Taj English Academy. Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am your lecturer, Dr. Taj Firdousi. In the advanced course, in the last lecture of mine, I told you about tenses. And I said that there are only 4 things you have to remember: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. And put present for the first 4, past for the next 4, future for the next 4. So all 12 tenses are there with you. For example, present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Number 3, future simple, continuous, perfect continuous. Now let's take up only the structure, and then we will learn how and where we can use these things. Let's go to the present simple. Present simple is the one where an action is repeated or it shows the state. For example, Manama is the capital of Bahrain. I am your lecturer, am. He is the manager, he is. He goes, he comes, I get up, I eat, I like, I play. That shows an action which is always there. And for that you can use always, sometimes, and the words to show the frequency. Never, opposite of always. I never drink tea, I always drink coffee. Never, sometimes, usually. These are all the things which show the categories which I am going to explain to you in the later. So you show the state, you show something which is already there as a practice which you do always. Present simple. Present continuous, the action is going on. I am teaching, you are standing, you know about it. Present perfect, I have seen, I have met, I have read, you have met, you have done. Present perfect. Present perfect continuous, I have been waiting, you have been working. So, what are the main differences of present simple and continuous? Present continuous shows an action which is going on now. I am working, I am doing. Ing. You are working, he is working. With he, she, it is ing. With I, we, you, they are ing. We are waiting, means the action is going on. Look, he is coming. The action is going on. Yes, so it's present continuous. Present perfect, I have done means just now the action is finished. We have completed the work means it's finished just now. I have been waiting means I was waiting, even now I am waiting, and I will be waiting in the future. So it shows. So present perfect and present perfect continuous show a duration of time, the time started and the time which ends. So that's the main difference of present perfect and present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous shows even the futurity. The work goes on. For example, I am teaching you now. I started about 3 minutes ago. So say, I have been teaching from 7 o'clock. I have been teaching, I have been teaching since 7:30. Means the time I started. Or if you want to say that one, for the total time. I have taught you for 10 minutes, I have taught you for 15 minutes. It shows the total time. So, this is perfect, and perfect continuous is ing. So, have been ing. I have been working. I have been living with all the difficulties. So, these are all the things which we are going to know in the future. So, stay with us in the next. Thank you very much, and we will learn more about present continuous in my next lecture, which shows future. Present continuous shows future time.